What's good, YouTube? I'm just watching her real quick down. I got a video shoot later on today with a mic and shit, so while I was watching down, even though I got 2 hours left and shit, I know this shit loud, so y'all can probably not even hear this shit, hear me, but you do not want to put direct water on the intakes. I do not have my water guards on there right now, so they are right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all before and after a couple clips, cinematic videos and shit. Yeah, we'll just tap in with y'all.
Myself, but I don't want to. So stop digging in the comments. I don't want to do it. I want to pay someone to do it. He just hopped in my shit. Oh, that's how my shit sound like that. It sound a little crazy. Yeah, my GoPro inside the damn car and shit. Not gonna lie. Pretty, man. That baby going up there and shit like that. And they had to jack up my car just to put on a lift for real. That's what I like to see right there. still holding up strong. That bitch is scraping. See, I be scraping that bitch too much, bro. I be scraping that bitch too much. You might get a new white pipe soon. Okay. I be doing YouTube. Yeah. For sure.
Boy, if you don't.
Yeah, I needed that. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, y'all. I already know what's going on. Smooth little oil change tip. Easy work.
Later that night.
Yeah, you hard as shit for that, shorty. I ain't gonna lie. That's what I'm talking about, shorty. That's my little brother, shorty. That's my little brother, shorty. Yeah. What are they talking about? Yeah. Yeah. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Yes, sir, yeah. Them real flames, too. It smell like a cookout on this bitch. You heard me.
We do not care.
I put them on a cruise. I give them a ride over.
Pull the front.
Ready?
Pull the front board.
Yeah, you know what it is.
Yeah, pull the front board.
Yeah.
Certified.
Yeah, you know I'm the fastest G in town, nigga.
Oh yeah, shorty. Oh wow.
That was such an exit. Shit.
Later that night.
Yeah, well, what you want to do, shorty? Alright, y'all, we at Justin crib, part like 12 or some shit. Just some cool little fog lights and low beams. This low beam's out.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, he's completely done with his build. Y'all done seen the engine was out the car in like the last 2-3 videos. Oh, one, that's the new one right here, that bitch in there. Oh my goodness, I'm not gonna lie. This shit crazy. Yeah, that shit crazy, bro.
The difference? See
Yeah.
the balls?
Yeah.
See how this one's cloudy, this
Yeah.
one's clear?
Yeah.
This is your old one.
Oh wow, okay.
You do.
That's about.
You're
That's
about to be done.
About to be done.
Yeah,
That's
oh
about-
yeah.
Yeah, the other ones are super done.
Yeah, this will be, you'll see a big difference with those. Like, yeah.
Some of y'all might not like the wheels. I ain't gonna lie. You feel me? Everyone's like, I see why. Like, you feel me? That shit is really insane. Like, oh, this bitch is hard. Yeah. And I switched over to straight iPhone. That's why my shit's hella clear. If I'm just throughout the day vlogging and shit, I'm ready to start hopping on my iPhone and shit. Y'all see this angle right here? Like I really does this iPhone shit for real, you know what I'm telling you? Like this shit could be a whole, you feel me, Instagram little shit. Alright, guys. You feel me? Gotta be just like that. Nigga's a beast. Yeah, this guy's a beast. Like, it's kind of crazy.
Now it does have a little leak, but I mean it sounds good. I got one of them done, but I know it has a leak from one.
Yeah, I got a leak too. Don't even worry about it.
It's like a half a full start.
Oh my God,
Sounds
bro.
different,
That's
don't
what I'm saying. I'm not gonna lie.
350Z I showed you, he had the same type of
That shit sound, oh my goodness. And
Don't
you
it
hear
sound
the
like a
slight
370?
Yeah, it sound like a 370.
I can really like at certain RPM. I'm like, man, I know
Jeez.
my shit actually like sounds like a 370 when it hits
I'm
like
not gonna lie,
4K.
y'all. Yeah, that shit. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
Got that scream.
That ain't good. Yeah. That's, yeah, I ain't gonna, that shit sound good, bro. Damn. You gotta start posting more, bro.
I'm going to now
Instagram.
that she's good.
All that shit, bro.
Because I didn't tell you all the shit. Like, you know about the fuse that blew.
Yeah, you talking about
And then after that, I went and fucking the hose I had for the coolant exploded because I had it just bypass itself. And it was right after we went. Remember after we went, and I couldn't believe it didn't happen then. Right after that, I went to go get ice cream on the way home. Boom! All this smoke coming out the back of my car. I thought I blew the engine. Like, smoking like
Everything, yeah.
and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Well, I feel like I hit the gas and like the engine, like fine. I'm like all that smoke, like it'd be fucking destroying itself.
Right,
The engine's just
exactly.
purring. Well, I go and it starts slipping more and more, and I'm like, oh, I knew exactly. I said that. I thought the hose came loose,
Okay.
and all my transmission fluid came out, and that's what the smoke is.
Okay.
So I parked it, and I went and looked, and sure enough, the hose exploded.
Oh,
Yeah, what happened was, because I got a bunch of hoses, and the one I was going to use.
Much later.
There you go. Yup. There you go. That's all flames. You hear it? That's all flames.
Keep going. Go now.
Yeah, you good. There you go. That's all flames. And then you could just hold on. Yeah, hold on. Let this calm down.
I might just, you want me to do it again?
Yeah, you can do it one more time. All flames. Yeah, all right, you good now. You can slowly ease into it, upshift. You're good now. Yeah, you can turn left, you can turn left. No one's in there? Alright. So you can go to second right now. Okay. And then. Do it again. Look, he said, ooh, he said, ooh, wee.
What do you mean go again, like?
I do have an exhaust leak. That bitch still sound good though. Y'all let me know how y'all like the iPhone quality. It's way better. We got that thing up on a lift. We're trying to jack it up. Everyone be having trouble with jacking up my shit because they be hella low and shit. Yeah, y'all see my boy. Y'all see my boy, man. Got thumbs on his
Thank you. Come again.